Hello Moncescans, mga anak! Do you think these Trinidadian doubles look delicious? Last year, I was fortunate to participate in a cook-along that even provided the free ingredients. I learned how to make the flatbread, the curry chickpeas, and the tamarind sauce. You will find the link to the recipe in the description down below. We made the dough for the bread first because it needed to rise.
So what we're gonna do with our dough in the bowl is just set it aside. If you have like a part of your kitchen that's a bit warmer, you can put it there.
For the curry chickpeas, we had to chop up our onions, garlic, and green onions before we saute them in the oil. We add a vegetable cube for flavor. Finally, we add the green onions, the chickpeas, thyme, and the scotch bonnet pepper, and then we allow this to simmer for about 30 minutes. For the tamarind sauce, we add the sugar to the water and then the tamarind paste and stir until it thickens. I'm guessing this will have a sweet and sour taste. We now continue to making the flatbread as the dough has risen. Punch the dough down gently and then flatten it into a circle. Divide it into quarters and each quarter divide again into 5 pieces. That gives you 20. If you are enjoying this free video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Make each into a ball and then flatten it out with a rolling pin. Now here's the exciting part when we fry the dough. Watch it as it slowly puffs up. The oil should be really hot. Look! Nice and crunchy and puffy. This video is not sponsored, but I would like to thank HTA 75 and Food Shares Community Kitchens who allowed me to participate in this cooking workshop. We're done! Now let me show you how to put this together. We take one of the flatbreads and now put some of the curry chickpea on it. You can add some of the coriander for garnish and then top it with some of the tamarind sauce. Now let's make this a real double. Let's get another piece of the flatbread, put it on top of the first one, and enjoy! This is my favorite part, when I get to eat what I make.